Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys back with me today. I just wanted to come on here and thank everyone for subscribing and sharing my channel. It's greatly appreciated. You guys have gotten me to 100 subscribers. I haven't gotten to say that in any of my videos yet because I've been trying to roll out content to you guys, and I'm going to continuously do that. I'm really excited to have some really cool videos coming up. But I just wanted to thank you guys, like dedicate a video to thanking everyone. I see everyone who shares my videos, who likes my videos, and who comments, and it's just so exciting. And I'm really glad that I have like continuous support by everyone, and your support has not gone unnoticed. I thank everyone. I'm not gonna sit here and thank everyone that I've seen share my video simply because I don't want to leave anybody out and have anyone feel bad. Just know that I notice everyone, and it's just super exciting. Also, I wanted to create this video just to give a brief update on my life. I know you guys noticed I got me a little silk press done, added some more highlights. The girl that I went to did an amazing job. I'm so happy that I decided to book with her and that I reached out to her about doing my highlights. They look phenomenal, and I can't wait to revert my straight hair back to curls. I'm gonna do a video on that as well. A straight to curly hair routine. Fingers crossed that my curls revert back. But at the end of the day, it's just hair, and we'll fix it. We'll do whatever. We'll slap some weave in there, get some braids. We'll fix it. But also, I did get my nose pierced. So I'm just kind of pointing out everything that I've been doing lately. So crazy. I got my nose pierced, and it was super spontaneous. I always wanted to have my nose pierced, and backstory, I had my nose pierced in college. Like my freshman year of college, I got my nose pierced, and it was super funny because I got it done. Then I went home. My mom actually picked me up, and she was like, "You got your nose pierced?" And I was like, yeah. Because like I was 18 at the time, so it wasn't a big deal to me. I paid for it. I didn't ask for money to get my nose pierced. I just got it done. So I got my nose pierced again now that we're working from home. And I feel like companies are a lot more lax and chill on things like that now. It's okay to have your nose pierced. And I got this cool tattoo. I got a tattoo of a sunflower. I think it's super cute, and I really love it. This is actually my first tattoo. The inspiration came simply because I just love sunflowers. I wanted to get a rose initially, but I felt like everyone gets a rose. So I was like, what other flower do you like, Kelly? I wanted to have put like some thought in behind my tattoo. I didn't want to just get like a pointless tattoo like a unicorn. So I decided to get this sunflower, and I went to go get my tattoo, and she was like, "Is this your first tattoo?" And I said, "Yeah." And she was like, "Oh my God." And I was like, what? Like, what's going on? Like, I don't understand. She was like, "This is a big tattoo for your first time." And I was like, let's get it. Like, I didn't even care. The last thing I want to update you guys on is grad school. So I'm starting my first day of grad school on August 17th. You'll probably see this video after then, but this is my last semester of grad school that I'm going into. I ain't never going back to school. This is it. I ain't getting my doctorates or whatever you want to call it. I ain't going back after this. Once I get my master's, I'm gonna start working on paying off that school debt, and that's going to be it for me. I'm gonna leave it to God. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm really nervous about this last semester, but hopefully I could just let God guide my way through this entire semester, and I could pull out, you know, hopefully 2 more A's. I'm enrolled in 2 classes this semester, a final project and predictive modeling, which is really boring. Already the teacher's like posting chicken scratch, and I don't understand. I'm just like, really? Like, this what we gonna do on the first day? You posting chicken scratch? Like, and we virtual? Come on now. Really, this video was just to Thank you guys for supporting my channel. I love the endless support. I want you guys to keep subscribing and sharing my video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Subscribe to my channel right now because I have some great videos coming soon, and I'm just so excited and happy to see my channel flourish. And on top of all of that, I might do a giveaway soon. So just stay tuned to my channel and you'll find out. Bye, you guys.